गोयचे दोन तरणाटे बुद्धिबळ खेळगड्यांनी आंतरराष्ट्रीय पावण्यार अभिमानान भारतीय ध्वज उबारला। कॉमनवेल्थ बुद्धिबळ चॅम्पियनशीप 2026 इथान वाज आणि इवान आंतोनियो टेल्स हांणी बळिश्ट कामगिरी करून जायती पदकां मेळयली। तांच्या यशाक लागून गोयच्या खेळा जगात अभिमानाचे वातावरण निर्माण जालां। पळयात खेळांतले कांय खाशे लेखीत।
Win 3 medals at the Commonwealth Chess Championship, that too in the under-20 section when he is still 14 years of age. We couldn't have been happier. You know, it's a great achievement, especially considering that the under-20 category was clubbed with the open category tournament, where he was actually battling it out with the grandmasters and international masters and other senior players. And to have done it with such a convincing performance is a commendable thing, and we are really proud of him.
He has made us proud and Goa and India proud, winning medals at the international level. We are thankful to all the sponsors who have supported him along his journey. It's been now almost 7 to 8 years. He's been playing so many tournaments and winning medals. Now, today the tally count is 30, right?
Yes.
We have reached 30 international medals. So we are very proud and very happy and thankful to all the people who are supporting him, and we hope more people also come forward to help him.
I was able to represent India at the Commonwealth Chess Championship 2026. I was representing in the under-20 category, which was merged with the open, and I'm very happy with my results. I came first in, I got gold in rapid in under-20, British gold in under-20, and silver in classical in under-20. I'm overall very happy with my results. Also because I traveled alone and I was able to manage stuff, I'm very happy about that.
We are proud of you.
Yeah, I really want to become a grandmaster as soon as possible in this year, and then I really want to work hard and probably sooner or later want to become the world champion.
Devon's first international tournament in India, first time in Sri Lanka, and it was a great experience for him, and we feel proud of him, and our family also feels proud of him that he achieved 2 medals, 1 gold in the rapid and silver in blitz, and he came 5th in standard, just missed by a point or so, and we look forward to playing more international tournaments and making India proud and Goa proud as well.
सेक्रेटरी गोवा चेस असोसिएशन हे आमचे भुरगे जे आसात तांणी खूब म्हणजे खूब प्रयत्न केलो आनी हार्डवर्क करून ते आतां एक्चुअल कॉमनवेल्थ गोल्ड आनी कॉमनवेल्थ सिल्वर मेडल्स जे आनी हे हाडला पळय दॅट इज अ व्हेरी ग्रेट इम्पॉर्टन्स कित्याक दीस कॉमनवेल्थ टुर्नामेंट इज अ व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग टुर्नामेंट with many of the players coming from different nations like South Africa, आणि सगळे जे कॉमनवेल्थ कंट्रीज आसात थंयच्यान येतात खेळपाक आनी दोगी जाण प्ले इथान वाज हॅज प्लेड व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंगली इन द ओपन कॅटेगरी टुर्नामेंट